Hey bro, I don't know how to feel about this video because I feel like this video, I'm probably damn near gonna have to cut a dread off. So, you know, we got the scissors. We got the scissors right here, you know what I'm saying? Just in case I gotta cut a dread or anything like that because my dreads are falling out. I'm gonna get to the point right now. But before this video even starts, make sure that like button for me down below. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Don't forget to post notifications. Alright. So, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media. They're right here and also link in the description, right? So, you already know how we rock. We got the notes on our phone. You already know how we get down. But yeah, my dreads, they not technically falling out, but you know how like your dreads thin, like they get thinner or something like that. Like you see this dread? This dread is pretty thin. My other dreads got in my eye. This dread right here is getting pretty thin. I have another one too that's like really thin and it's connected to something else like this. You see this? You see this right here, bro? This is unacceptable. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? This is unacceptable. Like you see that? Like I'm damn near gonna cut this bitch because it's so thin, it's retarded, bro. Like, hold on, where you go? Don't run, bitch. Don't run. Bitch, I'm on your ass. Damn, y'all done made me lost the dread. But not like, see, and then look, it's connected to a whole nother dread. And like I was gonna double them up. I was gonna 2-strand twist them. But what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to go ahead and cut it because it's over with, bro. Like it's thinning out. It's too thin. I gotta cut it. Hopefully I don't cut both dreads. Goddamn, man. I'm about to die in this bitch. I'm about to die in this bitch, bro. No. No, bro. No. R.I.P. my guy. Damn, bro. But not like I've been like, I ain't even worried. Like I done had like in my whole life, bro, I done had like 4 dreads that have either fallen, not even falling out, but have been pulled out. Let me go and tell y'all like the reason. Let me go and tell y'all the reason why I gotta do all this stuff. And yeah, man, like this dread was just completely weak, so I had to. But the first reason why all this stuff is like happened to my dreads is because like I waited too long to get a retwist. You understand what I'm saying? So at one point in time, it was about, I want to say like a year ago, right? I was fluctuating in between the freeform dreads or the maintain dreads, you know what I'm saying? So before then, I really had freeform because I started off with sponge. And then I went into the maintain because it looked more professional. And I started falling in love with the maintain, so I just kept getting a retwist. And then I fell back in love with the freeform. So I combined them both, right? And that's when my dreads started to, well, that's when like some of my dreads, like, they started to come out because they became weak because of the new growth. You understand what I'm saying? If you have too much new growth, it's easier for your dreads to get pulled out or anything like that. So that's for y'all out there who, like your hair is gonna get weaker. If you have an afro on the bottom, it's easier for your dreads to come out. That's what I'm basically trying to say, bro. All right, so if you get into an altercation, like it's easy for a person to pull your hair. You get what I'm saying? And your dreads fall out and they think, oh, he pulled his hair out. But like nah, like it's easier to pull somebody's hair out if they got an afro. You know what I'm saying? Like, see, I just got my retwist, so it's gonna be kind of hard to pull my junk out because you'll be technically almost be pulling my roots and that will hurt. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like, yeah. And then another thing, like you just seen, bro, they started growing together, and that was like a part of my freeforming stage too, where I let my dreads go together. Cause like I say, bro, I tell y'all this every video, bro. I'm not this person. I'm not this dread fanatic. Like I do make videos, like all my videos are about dreads, right? But I'm not just this dread fanatic dude who's just going crazy about like, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. This is technical. Like, nah, bro, like live your life. You understand what I'm saying? So I feel like dreads are a form of freedom. You understand? So if you want them to be maintained, maintain them. If you want them to be freeform, freeform. And with me, it was about evolving. You get what I'm saying? So nigga, like right now, I like to maintain. Look, I like all this. I like the retwist look. I like all that. You understand what I'm saying? I don't really like the freeform. Like when I was younger, like 2 years ago or something like that, I probably rock with the freeform look. But it's just all about evolving, bro. Evolving your mind and this and that and the third. So that's just how I feel now, and that's why I had to cut this one off. It was getting kind of weak, and I think another thing is like, while I had all these type of problems, not even real problems, bro. This is not even that serious, bro. Like I'm dead for real. This is not even that serious. Like look how much hair I still got left that is healthy. You know what I'm saying? That is like have strong roots and all that type of stuff. But like I was about to say, when I have this type of problem, right, I still don't sleep with no do-rag. Like I say, like I just told y'all, I be living life, bro. I'm not about to sleep with a do-rag every night. Now, if I just spent $100 on a retwist, now baby, for that whole month, for a month or a month and a half, I'm gonna sleep with a do-rag. You know what I'm saying? To get my money's worth out for the month and a half. But after that, bro, you see it like, it still look like, right now, I'm like 2.5, almost 3 months out of my retwist, and it really looks like I've been like a month out of my retwist, or a month and a half out of my retwist. You get what I'm saying? Because, bro, like I took care of it for like a month straight, and then it's you know what I'm saying? The retwist phase is kind of up after like a month or so, right? So that's just how I feel about dreads, bro. It's like, I don't know if y'all niggas feel like I'm a dread fanatic or this and that, because I make videos about dreads, but at the same time, like I just told y'all, man, I just be living life. And like I just said, I done had 2 or 3 dreads come out on me like already. Like I think recently, like a couple months ago, I had to take out like 2 or 3 dreads. I don't know, but my dreads are not really falling out. It just from like a situation that I had. So like, yeah, and it became damaged from that situation. But other than that, it was from the situation, and also it was from me not getting a retwist and me allowing the afro. So I had an afro, and then the situation happened, and then boom, my dread started coming out. So yeah, so this is like a leftover dread that needed to come out, and this was also in my this was 2-stranded twisted with another dread, so I really didn't ever notice it. And I was really thinking about like letting them grow together, like doing like a 2-strand twist, letting them grow together, letting them, you know what I'm saying, build up on each other and kind of dread up in the 2-strand twist form. But I'm like, bro, it's not even that serious. Like I'll just cut it. And I know a lot of people who make videos about thinning dreads and this and the third, how to repair them. I'm like, bro, my dreads are not even that bad for me to have to technically repair them. You get what I'm saying? So that's that. But if y'all are new to this channel, make sure that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Don't forget to hit that like button for me down below. Follow all my social medias right here, and also they will be in the links, and the links will be in the description. So make sure y'all go hit that up too. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.